was in a way on the national capital, because this was where the Delhi Chief Minister announced perhaps his most ambitious aim of relaxing some of the restrictions. Barber shops and salons will now open in Delhi, while religious places and metros remain closed. There were signs that Delhi is ready to finally open up. Markets will no longer be odd even, but will be open every day. But the Chief Minister has also announced that the national capital's borders will be sealed for a week. He's also asked Delhi citizens' opinion on whether hospital beds should be reserved only for locals, sparking off a major debate. Our top story today starts with the national capital finally opening up in a true sense. Take a look.
Chaos and confusion as the Kejriwal government sealed off capital Delhi from rest of India for a week. The arterial Delhi-Noida flyway was full of hassled commuters as cops allowed only those in essential services.
सर यहाँ मुझे पास भी नहीं जाने दे, कंपनी ने लेटर दिया है, इस लेटर से भी नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि आप डीएम का पास बनवा के लाइए नहीं तो नहीं जाने देंगे आपको.
Kejriwal said that he fears influx of patients from outside which can overwhelm Delhi's hospitals.
जैसे हम बॉर्डर्स खोलेंगे, देश भर से लोग अपना इलाज कराने के लिए दिल्ली में आएंगे. जो आज मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि 9,500 बेड्स हम लोगों ने आपके लिए रखे हुए हैं अगर कोरोना हो जाता है, जबकि आज दिल्ली में केवल 2300 पेशेंट्स हैं. ये बेड्स तो 2 दिन के अंदर भर जाएंगे अगर पूरे देश भर से लोग दिल्ली के अंदर आ गए तो.
The Delhi government, however, eased more curbs on day one of unlock, reopening barber shops and salons. The bar on commuters in 4 and 2-wheelers, auto rickshaws, e-rickshaws was also lifted. The opposition attacked Arvind Kejriwal, accusing him of hounding outsiders.
आप दिल्ली के लोगों का ही इलाज कहां कर रहे हो ये बताओ, और अपनी असफलता छुपाने के लिए एक नया शिगुफा मत लाओ. दिल्ली एनसीआर की जो व्यवस्था है उसमें किसी को रोक करके अरविंद केजरीवाल एक अलग राज ठाकरे बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
After making hospitals out of bounds for non-Delhiites, the Aam Aadmi Party also sought suggestions from Delhi on email and WhatsApp. It also launched an app for residents to track available beds in hospitals.
आज हमारे किस हॉस्पिटल में कितने बेड हैं, कितने खाली हैं, ये सारी जानकारी पब्लिक डोमेन में देके कोई भी व्यक्ति जो आप जिसका जिक्र कर रहे हैं उस पर जा सकता है. अब वो व्यवस्था हो रही है.
Will the gambit of opening Delhi and quarantining it from rest of India help the capital, which is currently at number 3 position in COVID cases in India? With Ankit Tyagi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.